Once a fortnight outside the Royal Ordnance Factory at Llanyshin in Cardiff, a small group of women gathered to stage what is now a familiar protest, a protest against nuclear weapons. These are the Women for Life on Earth. The factory has become their latest target because it is claimed it manufactures components for nuclear weapons. The bomb.
People who work here, I think they should know, well, they probably do know some of the risks they're running, but I think it's time that there was a debate about it, that things were made common knowledge, that people in the area knew exactly what's going on. They have been leafleted with the leaflet that Llanyshin CND have brought out. And I think it's very important that everyone in Cardiff realises what exactly is going on here, that we find out more. The Official Secrets Act stops us finding out all but the very basic information that we've got already. And we don't think this is reasonable in this capital city of nuclear-free Wales.
The Women's Peace Campaign has its origins in a march which began in Cardiff in the summer of last year. It started in almost carnival fashion, but it was to develop into a sustained campaign against nuclear arms. The destination of the protesters was the RAF base at Greenham Common in Berkshire, one of a number of sites chosen for the deployment of cruise missiles in Britain. The women of Greenham Common, now permanently camped at the base, regard the deployment of crews as a turning point in the nuclear deterrent argument. The reason? The missiles are regarded as first strike weapons. The peace campaigners fear just that, a first strike in a so-called limited nuclear war in Europe. Greenham Common has become the front line in the campaign to prevent the deployment of the missiles.